So beautiful. We are starting our second day of the Banff and Canmore road trip. This is the first stop of the day. Where is this? We don't know where this is, but we just passed by and we're stopping to take some photos.
Wow, so nice.
Wow, look at the reflection of the mountains in the lake.
I don't know the names, but there are a couple of stops.
Hello. Second day, Mara. Third day is right.
This is third day.
Third day, not second day.
But second day of the road trip. Okay, bye. We'll show you our first pit stop in a little bit. Look at this vlogger.
Look at this vlogger.
More goats.
Oh, wow! It is a high jump.
We just jumped over. Hi! We just arrived at Kananaskis Village. We will show you. Moms are walking. Today's a relaxing day. We're taking slow strolls.
Thanda. Tashi Delek hamni. Godere.
Coffee nyo.
Coffee nyo.
Coffee nyo dere.
Coffee don't say jela
Gondola.
Gondola la deres. Gondola.
This is a quick pit stop. We're just turning into a little hike. Mini hike. Photographer. And then look, he's being the photographer for Dad. Okay, stop. Oh, viewpoint. Lookout point. Dude, the wall to the Shafiqa. Sugar on the Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Three Musketeers.
Bala's recording his TikTok. I think he's trying not to laugh.
Coffee tong anong anzo nangaranja dere, and then we will have lunch Ningukala Gyokpochisa and Ganzo Tarigonda Gondola ride La Duere.
What are you drinking?
I'm having my hot chocolate.
Let me see. Wow. Namdullah, what are you drinking?
Mocha latte.
Wow. This is our driver?
Yeah.
Imported driver. All the way from the Toronto. Passenger, hurry up, passenger. Huh? I'm getting late, please. Get in.
I can sit in the front?
Yeah, you can sit.
Okay.
Cheers, coffee.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
What is the name?
Cheers.
Kananaskis.
Cheers, Namdullah, cheers.
Cheers.
Coffee, bring coffee. Yeah.
Cheers. When we get home, what's the plan?
Gonna make lunch.
Make lunch.
Make
Who's
lunch.
doing what?
Who's doing what? I'm making the.
We are making the mushroom stir fry.
Oh yeah, you're making mushrooms?
Yeah. And Dick is making the pancake.
Pancakes?
Pancake wraps. Yeah.
And then... Oh yeah, Amna has to make her tea.
Because she's not taking the coffee.
Yeah, so she's making her own tea.
She's thirsty from the tea, you know.
I see.
Yeah. Thirsty for tea.
then-
And we are drinking latte. Mocha latte, I don't know what.
And hot chocolate.
Hot
I'm free,
chocolate.
so I'll just be
Mom.
helper.
Hot
Mom will be
chocolate.
helping.
Yeah, I don't have
Mom is good help. Mom
Yeah.
will be helping. Then do
Now, when we start,
And Tinduk is just eating
then
his
afterwards
lunch.
we are going where? After lunch?
We're going to the gondola, so we have
there's no
15
time to
minutes.
go, gondola time. Reaching there, when we cook fast.
Yeah,
We
and pack.
give to pass our pilot, captain. Captain will eat first. Then captain will continue. So we can sit in the car and we eat. Okay?
Okay, so we're
We
eating
enjoy.
on the road,
Yeah.
and we'll show you when the food is done.
1 hour later.
We just went home and made our lunch, packed our lunch. 먼저 Banff Larangja-do. Banff National Park. Here we come.
Anybody garbage? Yeah. Garbage. Please.
That's it.
They're doing like this. Garbage. Garbage. Okay. Well, yeah. Yeah. Now I collect. I got the recycle.
Now you're gonna recycle the garbage. 나 걸렸어 먼저.
Manzo Banff Gondola leso.
Okay, ending on the check-in chi, and then we will be in one of those pods, and we'll show you the view. Oi, 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 oi. You know there's gondolas in Dharamsala as well? They just built it. Who is coming next?
Ooh. Are you scared?
Oh my god. So the galing the kamachu stodo. So nang ang kamani so swashtoy mare. Ani.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
So
Yeah,
high.
yeah, tobe la sa tobe so.
Show there. That's Banff down there. Don't take it.
소 많고 여기다. 소다. 강리 소 아니 육추. Rivers, lakes, and mountains. Oh my god, look at this.
Inshallah.
Oh, mama, ta. Welcome. Next in line. How was it?
Very nice. Isn't it?
We're at the top. This is the view.
We need a coin. Is this coin operated? We are about to start the Sulphur Mountain boardwalk.
Going all the way to that. There.
It's a little bit delayed, so wait.
There. Yeah, there. Look at the view.
Look at the view, look at the mountains.
Come beach this side.
3 musketeers, 4th musketeer. I learned from Mr. TikTok. We are at Samson Peak, which is the highest point on the Sulphur Mountain.
We just got to
We're
the
just
peak.
climbing the peak right now.
Rocky at the top. True. Hello. Welcome.
I'm holding up the queue. There's so many on.
Hello, very nice. Excellent. Oh.
Okay, walking back.
This is hot.
Oh yeah, you're hot.
We are all set and leaving now.
Lala.
Last panorama of this mountain range. There is Sulphur Mountain up here and some other mountains.
Nice view,
Yeah,
nice things.
yeah.
We are enjoying too much. Too much enjoy. I can't talk.
Oh my god.
I can't talk. I like it.
Okay, now I can see you better.
Breathtaking view from
Very beautiful.
and memorable.
Very beautiful. And the boys are coming with Vicky.
Gondola ride Denmark water. Also, very gang talks a lot. Sulphur Mountain like the 50 long ship Hazardua and read that summer, read a Yambu Risha, and Riki Gangla, Kang Pimabatura. Susu Hariles na Peralega Rots, Tonio Martaine, Peggy Nabados, Peggy so, and I'm shaking them. So, Rabla. Go fetch and soulless.
Welcome, noisemakers. Oh,
Nice.
Ah. Okay, we're back home. Nang lalesо 아닌 간탄다. 완전히 laundry 시가 돼야 돼. laundry 격보 직치. 안 다른 건다 완전히 맛 센 타마들에. 안 상기 시가 완전 check out 치야래. 다른 laundry load 니 치.
Laundry time.
You have to pack the bags and everything. We are checking out there altogether. You're not done?
Bring sweet potato. I'll peel it.
Oh, sweet potato. Yeah, we have to make
Roast it
everything
better.
ready.
Mm.
Yeah.
We're going to finish all of it. What's on the menu for tomorrow?
Who will finish?
How many sandwiches?
Who will finish?
How many sandwiches?
That is just talking. That is the...
I thought this is mushroom.
Can you put salt?
Yeah.
Can I taste? Last time it wasn't very salty. Mmm. Nice. Signing off from our third night at the Canmore Airbnb. This place was good to us. Okay. This is our last night.
쌤전한 거.
Packing all of our food, cooking all of our food, and packing it for tomorrow.